Good morning, student. Today we will study a new topic in chapter 2, that we are in chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals, that is feeding and digestion in amoeba. If you have heard about this amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic organism which we cannot see with our naked eyes. Microscopic organism. Microscopic. They are microscopic organism. Micro means very small, very small, very small. We can show tiny, very tiny, which very tiny or very small, very minute. We cannot see even with our naked eyes. So the microscopic organism. This amoeba also a microscopic organism. They are also called microorganism. They are also called microorganisms because they are very minute, very small, which we cannot even see with our naked eyes. Got it? So these organisms can be observed under a instrument called microscope. With the help of microscope, you can able to see this or observe this amoeba. It comes under a group of microorganisms called protozoa. Under protozoa, this amoeba included. You study in 8th class. You study in 8th class in chapter 2, that is microorganisms. You will study a major group of microorganisms under this protozoa. This amoeba comes under. What is now? So this microorganisms, that is amoeba, also called a single cell organism. It is called single cell organism, or we can say single cell organisms or unicellular organism. Why it is called single cell unicellular organism? Our body, human body, we have thousands and millions of cells. Our body is formed. What is that? Our body is formed from millions and millions cells. But this amoeba, only one cell. Only single cell. Therefore, they are called uni. Uni means one. Single. Uni means single cell organism. This amoeba is a single cell organism. They having only one cell. We are having millions cells. Our body is made up of millions and millions cells. So this amoeba is made up of only single cell. So we'll discuss regarding amoeba. Also, this amoeba also stated that they are also called as fast animal. They are also called as fast animal. What are they called? Fast animal. Why? Why they are called fast animal? We'll discuss. You will know the answer after discussing this digestion in amoeba. They are also called fast animal. Why? So we'll study the digestion process. So amoeba, you will find a dense rounded shape. These are called what? Nucleus. This also contains nucleus. What? Every cell having a nucleus, which will release energy, which will provide energy to all parts of the body, including in human. If you see animal cell or plant cell, you will have this nucleus, powerhouse of the cell, we can say. So this nucleus we have. So these are called what? These are food that is enclosed. What is that? So this amoeba is also having a cell membrane. What is having? Cell membrane. Cell membrane. membrane. Cell membrane. Also, it consists of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means all the surface inside jelly-like liquid. That is cytoplasm. That is called cytoplasm. It consists of cytoplasm. Inside this cytoplasm, we will find nucleus. We will find this. These are called food vacuole. Food these are called food vacuole. Got it now? So this amoeba, having their shape is constantly changing. They don't have fixed shape. Fixed shape. It's the shape of this amoeba constantly changing, and its position also changes. So it is having one or more projection-like finger called pseudopodium. What is called? This is called pseudopodium. Anything. This is called pseudopodium. P is silent. Pseudopodium. 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 Pseudopodia. We can say pseudopodia, or even we can say false feet. False feet. F-A-L-S. False feet. This pseudopodia or this false feet help in movement of this amoeba. These amoebas are found in pond water. This pseudopodia or this false feet helps in movement of this amoeba. They will move from one place to another. Or we can say they help in what? Locomotion. Locomotion. Locomotion means movement from one place to another. This pseudopodium or false feet helps in locomotion. Or this pseudopodia also helps in capturing food. Capturing food. This also helps in capturing food. Locomotion or capturing food. Capturing or engulfing. Engulfing food. Here we can see. This is pseudopodia. Extended finger-like projection. Outgrowth finger-like projection. These are pseudopodia. They are what? Rounding the food particle. This is food particle. This is food particles. Food particles. That is, we can say ingestion. Ingestion process. Ingestion. We will already discuss about digestive system in human means ingestion through our mouth. So they will ingestion with engulfing with the help of pseudopodia. They will engulf the food and it will enter into the body of the inside the body of amoeba, and it stays as a food vacuole. It will capture as a food. They will feed this microorganism, that is amoeba is feed on microscopic organisms. Got it now? They feed on microscopic organism. They reach out their pseudopodia and engulfs it. It will engulf or capture the food. After capturing the food is stored in the food vacuole. This food inside this food vacuole, they will secrete some digestive juice. They will secrete some digestive juice on the food. So this digestive juice will help it will act on the food, and it will absorb some nutrients which is required by the body of amoeba. So this digestive juice will act on this food vacuole. Then the food that is engulfed is get digested, and whatever the nutrients are absorbed by the food vacuole. It will be stored in the nucleus. Then it will help in growth, development and multiplication. It will release some energy which will help in growth and movement and all assimilation, and it will also multiplication. So after that, whatever food, unwanted food, after absorption of this nutrition, assimilation of this nutrition food, after that it will expel outside by the vacuole. This is digested food. Is it expelled outside, thrown outside by vacuole. Got it now? So this is the way. So the basic process of digestion and providing the energy is similar in animals as well. In animals also, same process of digestion and also releasing of energy take place in same. Therefore, they are called fast animal. Therefore, they are called fast animal. This is the structure of amoeba, and they have a pseudopodia. What is the purpose of pseudopodia? Already you have got the idea. What is pseudopodia? Also called false feet. What is the function? They capture the food, helps in movement. What is that? Also they helps in movement. Also, what is this? These are called food vehicles. What happens in the food vehicles? What is that? So they have cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, these food vehicles, nucleus, all these are present in cytoplasm. They are unicellular, having single cell. Got it? So this is the digestion process in amoeba. I hope you understood. The chapter has been completed. Next chapter I will discuss about exercise. We'll discuss, and I will upload the question along with answer. And also make sure that you complete first chapter workbook. You have to solve by yourself. Any doubt? Contact me in WhatsApp. Don't write wrong answer in workbook. Before writing, and if you are facing any problem, just let me know. Alright, thank you.